In this video, I'll show you how to set an auto reply on Facebook Marketplace. First, open Facebook and log in. On the left side, click Marketplace. Now go to Settings by clicking on the gear icon. Then under Marketplace Settings, click Set a Custom Buyer Message and type the message you want Facebook to automatically send whenever someone contacts you. When you're done, hit Save. Your auto reply is now active and will automatically respond to anyone messaging you on your marketplace. All right, now let's look at it set it up on a mobile phone. Open the Facebook app and make sure you're signed in. Tap the marketplace icon, or alternatively tap the menu icon and go to the marketplace. Then tap your profile in the top right. Open Settings, and under More Actions, click Set a Custom Message. Then type the message you want Facebook to send automatically whenever someone contacts you. When you're done, save it, and you're done. Now your marketplace messages will get an instant response even when you're busy. Thanks for watching.